Hi class, this is your instructor, Schuyler Huff, and welcome to the fall 2024 semester. I don't really know where to begin. I will say we are having class next week. Monday is the first day of class, so if you have my class, or at least the class, on Mondays and Wednesdays, I'll see you Monday. If the class for you is on Tuesdays and Thursdays, well, your first day of class with me will be on Tuesday. This coming week, there will be no labs on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. And I say that because I'm also sending this same video to students taking the online class that I'm teaching. So your class begins on Monday, and you do have a lab that's due on Thursday of this week. In the meantime, we'll begin things in class. I don't know what chapter I'll begin on yet. I've been pondering over what chapter to begin with in Principles of Biology 2. However, if you're in the Principles of Biology 1 course, we'll begin with Chapter 1 in Section 1.7 and then move directly to Chapter 2. In the meantime, we will use the textbook. The required course textbook will be found in your course syllabus. If you have not opted out, you can go to the bookstore and pick up that textbook right away. I heard that lab manuals for Principles of Biology 1 is not yet made it from Canada, so we don't have those yet, though it doesn't matter because again, we don't have lab the first week of class. I will, however, say if you're in Principles of Biology 2, your lab manual is there along with your textbook, so you all may get them both. In the meantime, I'll see you all on Monday or Tuesday. I am your instructor, and we will begin with content on the first day of class and then get to the syllabus quiz. Again, I am Schuyler Huff. I look forward to teaching you this semester, and have a great day, and I'll see you next week.